NORCET 9 prelims clear हो गया and now you are very nervous and anxious about NORCET 9 mains exam on 27th of September. You are not alone. There are thousands of aspirants, those who are going through the same endless sleepless nights and doubts about am I preparing the right way. बिकॉज जो मेन डाउट होता है ना मेंस की प्रिपरेशन में वो ये होता है कि आर यू गोइंग ऑन द राइट वे, आर यू गोइंग ऑन टू द राइट पाथ, are you preparing it in the right way? Because NORCET 9 mains is very important, because NORCET 9 mains will give you your rank, and based on your rank you will get your dream job. So NORCET 9 mains decides all. I have already told you about NORCET 9 mains, what steps you have to take, what you have to do. Now I am coming up with this daily routine plan, means the plan in which I am going to tell you on which day what you have to do. From today onwards, that is on 20th of September till 26th of September, I am going to give you the exact plan each day what you have to do, which subject you have to do. So don't just roam here and there, and don't just do randomly, don't study randomly. You have to do this thing in very systematic way so that you get the result that you want for yourself, you get the rank that you want for yourself. So without waiting further, let's just get into the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ananta Chandel. I have cracked NORCET 8 and other central government exams in my very first attempt, and with that too without coaching, and got a rank under 100. And first of all, I'm going to say sorry to you guys, because I promised you a video for NORCET 9 prelims cutoff discussion video that I couldn't upload because guys, I was traveling somewhere due to my personal reasons, and during traveling my bag got stolen that had all the equipments which I required for shooting the content, so I couldn't shoot that video and upload that video. It was a very tough time, but I'm back now. I'm more committed towards giving you the best content. So now let's just focus on what matters. Now we are going to do the NORCET 9 mains daily routine plan. So let's just get into the video. Before starting this video, I just want to say this thing, that the most common mistake that students make during this duration is studying randomly. One day they are studying MSN, other day are studying psychiatry. Morning में वो psychiatry पढ़ रहे हैं, शाम में वो pedia पढ़ रहे हैं, कुछ पढ़ रहे, and this creates a lot more chaos and a lot more stress. Okay, so I don't want these things to happen to you, because in these final days your mind needs to be calmed down. You should plan your things smartly. Your things should be scheduled smartly so that you can do revision on time, you can do things on time, and you get enough time to practice your mocks, and also without stressing much to your brain. Your energy for the main day also. I don't want you all to drain yourself before the exam only. So let's get into the video. Okay, now we are planning our days. So we have 6 days left for NORCET, like from 20th September to 26th September, roughly we have 6 days. So I'm planning these 6 days. So first of all, the major subjects that we have to cover. So first of all, the major subject that you have to cover, all the high yield important topics. I have already uploaded the important topics of these subjects. You can check that videos out. I'll share the link in my description. So first of all, in first 2 days you have to cover your MSN. Okay, 20th, and make sure every system should be covered, specifically the cardiovascular system, the CNS system, the GI system. Okay, these are very important systems. Okay, sometimes musculoskeletal system is also asked frequently. So NORCET and each system में जो भी highly yield topics हैं, high yield important topics है, you have to cover. I have already given the list. Make sure to go through that list and don't miss any topic which I have told you. Okay, और to revise those systems जो prelims में आए थे, because वो mains में repeat होने के 90 to 95% chances रहते हैं. ठीक है. Next is the next day you have to do fundamental of nursing. Okay, fundamental of nursing में you can give 1 full day to fundamental of nursing. Make sure in that 1 day of fundamental of nursing you also cover all the important procedures. प्रोसीजर्स लाइक कैथेटराइजेशन एंड एवरी प्रोसीजर, ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन का प्रोसीजर है, कैथेटराइजेशन का प्रोसीजर है, कोलोस्टोमी का प्रोसीजर है, ठीक है, and of these things. Make sure to cover all these things, acid base balance and all that thing. You can see the important topics of fundamental of nursing and you can go through them. Okay, so next day we'll give one full day, we'll give to fundamental of nursing, and the fourth day we are going to do OBG and Pediatrics. OBG and Pediatrics we will do together because वो दोनों interlinked हैं, इसलिए we will do them together. Okay, आपको उसमें OBG पूरा कवर करना है. ऑन मॉर्निंग में आप OBG कर लीजिए एंड आफ्टर द लंच ब्रेक एंड ऑल दैट यू कैन डू पीडियाट्रिक्स. ओके, पीडियाट्रिक्स इज लाइक अगर आप अच्छे से बैठोगे, ऑल द इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन, दोज इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स यू कैन कवर them in within like 2 to 3 hours. 3 hours are more than sufficient to cover all the important topics of pediatrics, so it won't take you much time. Okay, so now we are done with MSN, we are done with fundamental of nursing, we are done with OBG and pediatrics. Now next on day 5 we'll cover the psychiatric and pharmacology. Okay, this is very important. You have to do psychiatry is also of 2 days, 2 hours or 3 hours. You will cover all the high yield topics from mental health nursing. Okay, next you have to do in the second half, like आपने मॉर्निंग में psychiatry कर ली तो आप ब्रेक लो, खाना वाना खाओ, उसके बाद आप again you start studying and now you cover your pharma के लिए important topics I am going to upload on Monday, so make sure to go through that because pharma is very important. In NORCET 8 at least 7 to 8 questions were from pharma. Okay, so I am going to give you high yield topics of pharmacology on Monday. Till then you make sure to do your medical surgical nursing, जितने मैंने बताए हैं उतने सब्जेक्ट्स को कवर कर लो तब तक, ठीक है. And now you are left with one day, that is 26th of September. So that one day आपको वो रखना है पूरा एक दिन अपने आप को calm down करने के लिए. And in that one day you will go through the image based questions because image based questions भी आते हैं मेंस में, थोड़े कम आते हैं बट आते हैं, ठीक है. Make sure to do image based questions and learn all the facts and datas. जो लैब वैल्यूज़ हैं, जितनी भी लैब वैल्यूज़ हैं, जो भी डाटा आपको ऐसे याद करने वाला है कि भाई इसका इतना इतना होता है, इसका जो है टॉक्सिसिटी लेवल इस ड्रग का इतना होता है और ऐसे होता है, दैट थिंग्स जो रटने वाली चीज़ें हैं वो आपको लास्ट दिन करनी है ताकि आपको इमीडिएट अगले दिन के लिए याद रहें, ठीक है. तो 26 को याद रखना है आपको, लैब वैल्यूज़ और इमेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. और इन सब दिनों में द टाइम दैट यू आर डूइंग रिवीजन ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, जो मैंने सब्जेक्ट्स बताए हैं जिनकी आप रिवीजन कर रहे हैं, इन रिवीजन के साथ साथ आपको मेक श्योर टू गिव 1 मॉक टेस्ट डेली ऑफ 3 hours. उसको ज़रूर देना है, एक मॉक टेस्ट हर दिन देना ही देना है. अब कैसे भी अपना 3 घंटे का टाइम निकालो, प्रेफरेबली इन द मॉर्निंग बिकॉज मॉर्निंग में हमारी एनर्जी ज़्यादा होती है एंड वी कैन डू द 3 hours टेस्ट. और वैसे भी जो मेंस का एग्ज़ाम है वो मॉर्निंग में ही होगा, तो ट्राई टू सेट योर एग्ज़ाम ऑन दैट टाइमिंग ओनली जिसमें एग्ज़ाम होगा मेन, ठीक है. टेस्ट डेली एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट द रिवीजन ऑफ दैट डे. जो रिवीजन मैंने आपको स्केड्यूल दिया है, जिस दिन जो करना है वो उस दिन वैसे ही करना है. एंड मेक श्योर कि आप जब सो तो वो सब जो चीज़ें आपके टारगेट आपने बनाई थी इस दिन की वो कंप्लीट होनी चाहिए आपके सोने से पहले. ओके, एंड टेक प्रॉपर रेस्ट एंड कीप गुड केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. And guys, if you want me to tell how many questions you have to attend in mains and what will be your safest score to means score high and whatever your target rank would be, if you want me to make a video about that, how many questions to attempt and how many negatives you can risk, so I'll make a separate video about this thing, how to attempt or how many questions to attempt in mains. And it will be uploaded very soon, maybe on Wednesday or on Tuesday. So just comment down below the questions. I will surely upload that video very soon, and there's so much content coming to you. And if you want anything else, any other thing you want to ask about mains, you can always comment down below. I'll always reply you guys. And how was your prelims result? I want to know, so please guys comment down below. This is it for the video, guys. If you like my content, even if it helped you 1%, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also like and share my content with your other colleagues or other classmates, those who are preparing for NORCET 9 and on any other central government exam of nursing. You can share it with them. Hope they like it. And I'm always with you guys. If you want any help, if you want a specific video of anything, you can always comment down below my video. I'll always consider my audience suggestion, and I make video as my audience demands. So guys, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for all the love and support. All the best with your mains preparation, and we will meet soon. Tab tak ke liye keep working hard, keep hustling, and we will glow and grow together.